There was 13,000 homes in Buncombe County damaged or destroyed. And there's only so many contractors out there. Let me say first, there's a lot of really good home repair contractors out there. Unfortunately, at legal aid, we get to deal with the rotten apples. So what happened was they had a guy from out of state. He comes in and is very charming and confidence-inspiring, and really falsely represented what he was going to be able to do within the time frame he was able to do it. And so they paid him half of the job up front, which was about $8,400. Then came a long series of excuses. We hear them all the time from all the contractors. Of course, what the clients do is what we all do. They're very polite and they, pretty please, won't you please come back? And then, of course, their tone changes over the weeks and months that come, and they start sending more terse text messages and then emails, and then eventually the contractor just quits responding altogether. At that point, they had written a demand letter to the contractor, which he ignored that. So they came to us, and I sent a demand letter to the contractor by certified mail, which he ignored that. So then that leaves one option, and that's to file a summons and complaint, and that's what we did. He was sued. We'll see if he'll pay. I'm not holding my breath, but we will take a judgment against him for sure.